It's easy to stay up to date with all things childcare. Simply click the subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video.
When can a fetus hear? Fetal hearing development. When can a fetus hear? This is a question that many expecting parents have. In this video, we will discuss fetal hearing development and when a fetus can start to hear different sounds. We will also talk about how parents can help their babies develop their sense of hearing during pregnancy. Hearing development for unborn babies. The sense of hearing is one of the earliest to develop in a baby. By the time they are born, they will have heard millions of sounds. However, it's important to note that a baby's ears are sensitive. Therefore, proper care for the baby's ears, even in utero, should be considered. Loud sounds and loud noise should be avoided at all costs. So when can an unborn baby start to hear? A baby's hearing develops as early as the 16th week of pregnancy. The development of hearing starts with the inner ears, which are fully developed by the 20th week. However, it takes the entire pregnancy for all the connections between the inner ear and the brain to be made. This is why a newborn baby's hearing may not be perfect at birth. A baby's neck is not strong enough to support its head until the 32nd week of pregnancy. This is why you will often see newborns with tubes in their ears. These are placed there to keep the pressure equal on both sides of the baby's eardrums and to prevent any damage that could be caused by fluid buildup. Babies start to make sounds around the 28th week of pregnancy. You may be able to hear your baby's heartbeat or hiccups if you place a stethoscope on your stomach. By the time they are born, they will have already learned how to make all kinds of different sounds. A few words here and there will make your baby get used to sounds from the outside world. There are many things that can affect a baby's hearing development. For example, exposure to loud noises such as a dog barking or a loud concert can damage a baby's hearing. That's why it's important for pregnant women to avoid loud noises when possible. When a baby hears loud sounds, it might flinch in the womb. Therefore, be careful about the sounds you expose your baby to. If you're worried about your baby's hearing development, talk to your doctor. They can perform tests to assess your baby's hearing and give you peace of mind. Since babies can hear sounds, make sure to take care of your baby's hearing from the first, second, and third trimester until your baby is born. What do babies hear in the womb? The mother's voice is one of the first things a baby hears in the womb. Studies have shown that babies respond to their mother's voices while still in the womb. This may be because mothers talk to their unborn babies, sing to them, and read to them during pregnancy. As a baby's hearing continues to develop, moms should be careful about the loud noise. Babies also respond to music when they're in the womb. In fact, research has shown that babies can hear different pitches and rhythms when they're still in the womb. So if you want to play some music for your baby, go ahead. Just make sure it's not too loud. Remember, you don't want to damage your baby's hearing. Playing classical music, such as Mozart, may also help your baby's development. One study found that babies exposed to classical music in the womb had better language skills when they were tested at age 3. Remember, though, that just because your baby can hear doesn't mean they can understand what you're saying. That won't happen until after birth. So keep talking to your little one, they are listening. Even though outside noises do not make sense to your baby, it is still good for them to be exposed to all the different sounds. This helps with their auditory development and gets them used to hearing different pitches and tones. A baby's ears continue to develop up to 35 weeks in the womb. Therefore, keeping track of fetal development is necessary. Conclusion. So, when can a fetus hear? A baby in the womb can start hearing noises from the outside world at around 16 weeks gestation. However, they cannot understand what these noises mean until after birth. People's voices, low-pitched sounds, and other sounds do not make sense to them yet. Nevertheless, it is beneficial for babies to be exposed to sound and noise as early as possible. This helps to stimulate their brain development and prepare them for the world outside the womb. Start talking to your baby and playing music for them as soon as possible. It is never too early or too late to start. Always remember that you can speak to your doctor or midwife if you have any concerns about your pregnancy. They will be able to help you get the answers that you need. As much as possible, try to relax and enjoy this special time in your life. Monitoring your pregnancy and your baby's development is an important part of ensuring a healthy and happy outcome for both of you. Therefore, it is something you should prioritize.
Hope you got value from this video. Remember to click the subscribe button and hit the bell so